Welcome back, everyone. If you're over 50 and looking to get stronger, feel more energetic, and improve your overall fitness, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through 5 incredible exercises, each one perfect for building strength, mobility, and confidence at any age. So, grab your mat and let's get started. Exercise number 1, push-ups. Our first exercise is the push-up. Now, I know what you're thinking. Push-ups are tough. But don't worry, there are ways to make them easier and still reap the benefits. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, and arms, and also engage your core, helping you build strength in everyday movements. To modify for beginners or those with joint concerns, start on your knees instead of your toes. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and keep your body in a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Lower your body slowly toward the floor, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle, then push back up. Aim for 8 to 12 reps to start. If you're comfortable with this, try elevating your hands on a bench or a wall to make it even easier. The key is to maintain good form, and if you need a break, take it. Exercise number 2, hip lifts. Next, we're going to do hip lifts. This exercise is great for your glutes, lower back, and core, essential muscles for daily movement and stability, especially as we age. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Place your arms at your sides for balance. Push through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second, then slowly lower your hips back down. Repeat for 12 to 15 reps. If you're feeling strong, you can make this exercise more challenging by adding a small pause at the top or holding a light weight on your hips. Exercise number 3, squats. Squats are one of the best exercises for strengthening your legs and improving balance. As we age, our leg strength and stability are key to staying active and independent. Squats target your thighs, hips, and glutes, and they also engage your core. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, keeping your chest up and back straight. Lower yourself by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Aim to get your thighs parallel to the ground or a bit lower if that's comfortable for you. Then push through your heels to stand back up. Start with 8 to 12 reps. And if you need a chair or wall nearby for support, feel free to use it. To make squats easier, try sitting down onto a chair or bench and standing back up. This helps you work on your form while adding some support. Exercise number 4, jumping rope. Jumping rope might sound like a high-impact exercise, but it's actually one of the best cardio exercises you can do, especially if we focus on low-impact variations. Jumping rope improves coordination, cardiovascular health, and burns calories, all while being easy on the joints if you modify it properly. Grab your jump rope and start with a few basic hops. Instead of jumping high, aim to keep the jump low, just enough to let the rope pass under your feet. If you're new to jumping rope, or if impact is a concern, try jumping on a softer surface like a mat or a carpet. Another great modification is to march in place while swinging the rope. This will still provide the benefits of rope skipping, but with less impact on the joints. Exercise number 5, bench dips. Lastly, we have bench dips. These are perfect for targeting the triceps, shoulders, and upper body strength. As we age, upper body strength is crucial for daily activities like lifting groceries or getting up from a chair. Start by sitting on the edge of a sturdy bench or chair, placing your hands next to your hips. Walk your feet forward so your legs are extended and your weight is supported by your arms. Slowly lower your body by bending your elbows, aiming for about a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position. Perform 8 to 12 reps. If this feels too challenging, try bending your knees and keeping your feet flat on the floor. This will reduce the intensity while still targeting your triceps. There you have it, 5 powerful exercises that can help you stay strong, fit, and confident at any age. Remember, it's not about how fast you go or how many reps you do, but about consistent effort and listening to your body. If you're just starting, take it slow, focus on form, and gradually increase your intensity. And most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for joining me today. If you found these exercises helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit. I'll see you in the next one. Stay strong, stay active.